1964 Ford Galaxy 500XL Hardtop Fastback. Price, $16,750. Location, San Jose. The 1964 Ford Galaxy 500XL Hardtop Fastback is a striking example of classic American automotive design, capturing the spirit of the 1960s with its bold styling and powerful presence. Finished in its original raven black paint, this full-size fastback immediately stands out with its long, sleek body lines and timeless appeal that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts today. The exterior design reflects an era when cars were built to make a statement. With its dual headlights, chrome bumpers, and signature fastback roofline, this Galaxy delivers a commanding road presence. The addition of dual exhausts and classic trim details enhances its muscular look, making it a true representation of vintage American performance culture. The under the hood, this Galaxy is powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 4-barrel carburetor. This setup was a popular choice during its time, offering a balance of smooth cruising and strong performance. Although the car is currently not running after being in storage, it presents a great opportunity for restoration and mechanical revival. The inside, the 500XL trim offers a more refined and sporty interior compared to standard models. The red and white color combination creates a bold and stylish cabin atmosphere. Bucket seats and a full-length center console provide a driver-focused layout, while original features like the push-button radio and analog clock maintain its authentic vintage character. The Galaxy 500XL name represents a higher trim level with a more performance-oriented edge. Inspired by the same engineering principles used in early NASCAR racing, this heritage adds an extra layer of desirability for collectors who appreciate both design and history. This 1964 Ford Galaxy 500XL is more than just a classic car, it's a project filled with potential. With its iconic design, solid foundation, and affordable price point, it offers a unique opportunity to own and restore a true piece of American automotive history. Whether you're looking to build a show car or a weekend cruiser, this Galaxy is ready for its next chapter.